Okay, so one more thing we need to do is take average of these figures. Okay, so how will you take this average? Put equal to sign, then there is a formula, that is AVERAGE. This is for average. Okay, and select the range. Once you select the range, bracket complete, press enter. So 17% is EBIT year-on-year growth rate average. Now if you want average figure for all other percentage wise, what you can do is Control C and Control V. But in this case you need to check whether you are taking right input. So for example, you go to 23% this cell, press F2, and you will see that one figure is left behind and we are not considering that. So here you can go to, instead of D9, it has to be C9. C9. So now you can see it's inclusive from C9 to L9, and now press enter. So here 24% is average for last 10 years at tax. Okay, Control C, Control V, right? Since, and double check. Yes, all these figures for last 10 years have been included here, so I'm fine with it. Now you cannot do it, you cannot just do copy paste here, because here for this 1, 2, 3 data was for 9 and 10 years, but here the data is only for 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 years. So what you can do, go to this cell, put equal to sign, again this AVERAGE average formula you can type, then select data range and complete the bracket, press enter. Okay, so fine, so 7%. Now you can do this for copy pasting to this figure, since it is for last 5 years. Okay, so with this I would like to say we have completed analysis part of historical performance, and also we have taken average of these figures. After that, what we need to do is we need to go for cost of equity, cost of debt and cost of capital. For that we need different inputs. So in coming video we will calculate that. So that's all for now for this video.